Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from Sixth String Fingerpicking. Today we're learning how to play a beginner-friendly fingerstyle arrangement of Amazing Grace. Hope you enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you'd like the guitar tab, that's available down below. Okay, so let's dive into this one. So we're in 3/4 time, just want to mention that straight away. And you're going to start by playing the fourth string open, then the third string, and then it's going to a G chord. So just play the bass note of your G chord, third fret on the sixth string with the open third string. So like amazing, like that. Then you're going to play open second string, and then on the third string, 2 pull off to open. So that's okay. So you've gone, and then it's going to a G7, so keep that third fret held down on the sixth string, but also add the third fret on the fourth string, and play those two with also the open second and third strings. So like that, that's your G7 chord. Okay, and then you're going to play the second fret on the third string. So all together. You've got that. Then just go to a C chord, hold that down and play strings 3, 4 and 5. And then the fourth string. And then back to your G. Okay, so bass note with the open fourth string. Okay, so from the C there you've just gone. Okay, then you're going to play open fourth string, open third string. Okay, and then still on the G, play the third string and sixth string together. And then again, it's open second string, 2 pull off to open on the third string. Okay, and then this time play the second string and sixth string together. Okay, so that's. And then play the third fret on the second string. And then it goes to a D chord. Now I play it like this, but of course if it's easier, just play a regular D chord. I'm not too concerned, but I'm playing it like this. Okay, so third fret on the second string, second fret on the third string. We've played the second string, and then play strings 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so let's go right the way back to the start. You have played Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound, and then the saved a wretch like me. Okay, that's what you've got so far. And then I go to a D7, so all that I do is go from the third fret on the second string to the first fret and play strings 2, 3 and 4. So you go 2, 3, 1, 2, okay? And then it's open second string hammered to the third fret. Okay, and then it's G. So play that note again, third fret on the second string with the bass note. Okay, and then again, we're going to our G7. So that's open second string, 2 pull off to open on the third string. And then remember our G7, so we just bring in the third fret on the fourth string, play that with the bass, and also include the second and third strings, just like before. So we've got that. And then we go to the C, like before, so we play the second fret on the third string, and then to our C chord, play strings 3, 4 and 5, and then the fourth string, and then back to our G, play the bass note and the open fourth string. Okay, so from the D to our D7, and then we just played I once was lost, but now I'm found. Okay, then this bass note just goes down to the second fret. Play that with the open fourth string, then open third string, and then it's E minor. All you have to do is play the open third string and open sixth string together. Okay, and then again open second string, 2 pull off to open on the third string, and then strings 2 and 4 together. That's a D chord. So there we've gone. Okay, and then you're nearly there. Then just play the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then go to your C chord, play strings 3, 4 and 5, and then on the 5th string then play the 2nd fret, then open, and then G to finish, so just a bass note, 3rd fret on the 6th string. So that's just, and that's it. So once more from the very start, you have played Sing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. 2, 3, 1. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. That's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and head over to sixstringfingerpicking.com, where there are hundreds more lessons all on fingerpicking for all levels. There's a whole bunch of courses that you can take too if you really want to invest in your playing. And you can try any of them out completely for free. So links all down in the description. But that's it for now. Thanks so much. I'll see you again.